Hey everybody, it's Mary. I'm coming to you with another live video. If you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. So today I wanted to discuss with you struggles with online businesses and what you can do to make your business a better success. So with that having been said, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, show some love. I love the support. I can get all the help. I need all the help that I can get. And I'm looking forward to giving you some good value today. So anyway, with that being said, let's just jump right into it and discuss struggles with online businesses. So one of the things, that people struggle with are making sales, putting themselves out there, getting people to notice them, having their link, available, just throwing it out there wherever, on whatever platform that they're using to promote their business. And in doing so, they're not getting the results that they needed. So why is that? Why do people struggle with online businesses and eventually just end up giving up? Is it because of the business? Is it because they don't get the support with the business? Is there nobody to show them how to work the business? Do they not have a mentor? These are all kinds of things that people don't realize that you will need when you do start an online business. And then having these mentors and this knowledge, having this knowledge, it's going to make your business really, really bloom. So what you're going to want to do is get people to know, like, and trust you. Well, how do you do that? Well, it depends on if you're using a platform. For me and my business, I use Facebook. And, Facebook, everybody is on it. People are scrolling, they're looking at it, they're scrolling. And what are you going to do? You're going to first get people to know you. So in doing that, put yourself out there. Tell your story. Get people interested in you. You're going to post pictures of yourself. You're going to try to get your engagement up. And then this way, when you start your business, people are going to get to know and have a little bit of knowledge about who you are as a person. So why do you want to do that? The main simple reason is because people buy from people. They don't buy from a link. They don't know you just by sending out your link. They don't know anything about the program. And why would they want to join, for one? So what you need to do is, if you're going to use Facebook like I do, you're going to want to build that engagement up. For me, I started out with only like 10 to 15 likes and maybe some comments on my Facebook profile. So with our program that I'm involved with, it teaches you how to use Facebook correctly, what to post, how you get better engagement, how you get that know, like, and trust factor, and how you can create a successful business basically from doing these simple little things. So you're going to want to post, pictures of your family, pictures of yourself, do inspirational quotes, do something motivating, get these people to get to know you a little bit better. And then that way, when somebody comments, they're going to ask you, what are you doing, or where were you, they're going to start questioning, and they're going to start following you, and then they're going to start wanting to know more and more as you progress with this training that you're given. So you want to make sure you get your engagement up and you get that know, like, and trust factor first. some of the other struggles with businesses are, that you don't have a mentor. You're going to need a mentor when you, excuse me, when you join a business. Somebody that's going to have all the inside knowledge and can teach you exactly, how to get the right mindset for your business. And that is going to be extremely valuable to you alone, because if you're not willing to do the work and stay committed and do that know, like, and trust, get your engagement up, people are not going to want to get to know you or have any, are not going to want to invest in your business. So you need to get a mentor. You need to better yourself. You need to read self-development books that are going to help you with your mindset. And you need to work on your engagement, and you need to get that up to where, you're at least like 200 or 300 comments and likes. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to post a curiosity post, and people are going to start coming to you trying to figure out what it is you're exactly doing. And this is some of the things, that I've learned just being online here in the last couple of months from this program that I'm involved with. It teaches you step by step how to do these things. And if you're not a computer person, if you're not a personality, if you don't have the personality to do, per se, like I'm being challenged right now doing videos, and it's throwing me way out of my comfort zone. But I know it's something that I need to do for my business because I want to be successful. And if I can get out of my comfort zone and do this, it's going to make my business really, really take off. And it's not, it's just all about fear and coming out of your fears and taking that leap of faith and just doing what needs to be done to be successful. So struggles, with online businesses are not knowing how to run a business, not knowing who you are as a person, that know, like, and trust factor, and also when to send out your link, how to have the right mindset. These are just some of the examples that you're going to need when you when you do an online business, and it's just going to make you that much of a better person. So with my program, like I said, it's a very, very special program. My mentor, she created this program. She's a single mom, and I've been following her for a while, so I know if she can do it, I can do it. And it has really taught me a lot, and I've been successful with this business so far in the short 2 months that I've been involved. So with having this awesome business, if you're wanting to know a little bit about what I do or how you can get more training, how you can get your engagement up, how you can even make an online income from just doing this on Facebook. This platform allows you to basically learn this business aspect and take it with you with whatever program that you want to promote. It doesn't have to be the program that I'm involved with right now. Everything you learn step by step is given to you by a six-figure mentor and a six-figure earner. And she teaches this to us for free. So why would I not take what she's been given to me, apply it to what I'm doing, and earn an income from it? So this is what I'm doing. If you're interested, I would be happy to send you my link, or I'll leave it in the description down below. And feel free to come check us out. We have an awesome Facebook group that has a lot of support. We've got some chat rooms that we are in all day long. Well, we don't have to be in it all day long. It's whatever your needs are. But come check out the chat rooms, get your questions answered. Check out the Facebook and see what this business can do for you so that you don't have to struggle and that you can be a huge success. And that's what we want everybody to do. We want everybody to succeed, because we like helping people. And if we help people, it's going to make things much better. And working as a team, you know, we're all going to be winners. So with that being said, I would like to thank you for viewing my video today. If you have any questions, you know, if you're struggling with your business, just feel free to get back with me and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. So with that being said, have a great day, and I can't wait to do another video for you and give you some more inside tips and tricks as to how you can make your business bloom. So have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.